Let's make the most delicious light soup recipe. Hello, welcome. Trust me, this was very nice, very delicious. I just don't know how I should describe this, but all I can tell you right now is it was so nice. Okay, if today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. So without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. Actually, I have my carrot, pepper, tomatoes, onions, and I washed them very well, and then I bought them. Okay, so they are ready. I am just going behind the scene to blend all the ingredients. I will strain it and then I'll get back to you. Now, on the other hand, I have my fresh tilapia, which I've cut them already. Okay, I have cut them, I have washed them. If you want to know how I washed my fish or my tilapia, please check it on the page or where you are watching it from. Okay, so after cleaning it, I added my grinded pepper, ginger, garlic, all-purpose seasoning, natural herbs and spice blend, my salts, and here we are. Yes, I will ensure that I rub all the ingredients on the fish very well so that the fish will be well seasoned. I hope you understand it. So that is actually what I'm doing. So if you're new here, we share easy recipes here, and trust me, you will love to join the family. So kindly subscribe for more videos, and please make sure you like the video, you share to others, and also leave me your comment in the comment section for me. Thank you so much. So after doing this, I am just going to make sure I keep this aside. Okay, and when you are rubbing the seasoning on the fish, make sure they enter each places very well. I mean, it should be well massaged. Okay, so after that, I will cover it and then set it aside. When I'm ready, I'm going to use the tilapia. That is what I am doing because I need to attend to the pepper and then the other things that we will be blending. Okay, yes, so I'll just go ahead, cover it, keep it aside, and then we are good to go. My returning subscribers, thank you for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. Okay, I am so grateful. Now, this is how our vegetables that we blended looks like. Okay, as I told you earlier, I blended them and then strained them. Okay, we are going to leave this on fire and I will get back to you very soon. We just want to boil it. Please mind you, we are outside in case you see any fly. Okay, but we will make sure they will never be on the food. And actually, we are in fly season. Okay, the flies, this is their season. I mean, during the day, the time that I prepared the soup, that was like 2 years ago. It was around this time, July, June. Yeah, so please pardon me. Okay, so I will just add all the fish to the soup one by one because at this moment they are well seasoned. Okay, so that is what I am doing. I actually did add a tablespoon of tomato paste to the vegetables that we blended. Okay, just a tablespoon, not too much of the tomato paste, but if you want it too much, you can go ahead and do so. Usually I even use only the fresh tomatoes. So we allowed it to be on fire for some time, and now I have added my pepper to it. So the reason I added the pepper to it is that there are some people, they don't want the soup to be very spicy, others they want it spicy. So for everyone to enjoy, then we are just going to make the soup not very spicy. Okay, in a way that we will all enjoy. But if the one who wanted spicy realized that it's not very spicy for him or her. He or she would just take some of the pepper and then mash in the soup. I believe you understand. Yeah, thank you so much. At this moment, you can decide to maybe use different types of fishes, okay, that are also fresh, okay, but I decided to use only the fresh tilapia, and trust me, it was so nice. At this moment, I'm just going to taste for salt to see if everything is on point, okay, and then we can proceed. We are on all social media platforms, and Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes is the name. So please kindly follow us for more videos, and trust me, you will love it there. If you want short videos that are a minute or less than a minute duration, but the recipes are always detailed, just follow us on all social media platforms, including YouTube Shorts, okay? Those videos are for those who are very busy to watch the long form videos. As you can see, our tilapia is still strong, nothing has scattered, okay? It is still strong and it is doing very well. After tasting it, I needed more seasoning to the soup, so I added salt, okay? That was what I added, and the soup is doing extremely very well. When preparing your fresh tilapia light soup or any fresh fish light soup, you can as well steam the fish aside before you add it to the vegetables that we blended and then strain, okay? Or you can just season and then steam the fish, then add the vegetables that we strain to it on fire, and then you cook from there. I hope you get it. I just want to show you that the fish did not scatter and it is doing so well. So there are so many ways you can prepare it, and this is how I prepare mine. I hope the video was helpful, and let me know your contribution in the comment section, and also let me know how you prepare your fresh tilapia light soup, so I can also learn from you. We will leave this on fire on a very lower heat, and then I'll get back to you very soon. After some few minutes, I realized the pepper is soft and our soup is ready. Just look at that, so inviting. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning till now, and I'll see you in the next upload. You can't afford to miss it. Thank you so much. I will see you. So please do well to watch our other videos for me, okay? Yes, and then share to others. Thank you. Bye bye.